Madam Speaker, I rise to respond to the questions raised by the Honourable Member, Dr. Brijla. Thank you, Honourable Member, for your question and also the interest shown on Agarwood. Before I proceed, Madam Speaker, I also take this opportunity to welcome and thank Honourable Ratu Tevita Numatewan for joining the House. Madam Speaker, my ministry is currently undertaking silviculture research on Agarwood. The research undertaken is to find out the best site, soil, weather, rainfall, and other ecological factors to be considered when growing Agarwood or any other species for that matter. My ministry has started this research since 2015 and currently measuring growth and survival of this species in different sites. This is fairly a new species introduced in Fiji by a company, World Forestry Fiji, and my ministry is working together with this company in undertaking research on how best to grow this. Very briefly, Madam Speaker, Agarwood, also known as Agarwood or garwood, is a fragrant, dark, resinous wood used in incense, perfume, medicine, and small carvings. It is formed in the hardwood of Aquilaria trees in their natural habitat. Unlike sandalwood trees, which produce oil without any intervention, Agarwood, Madam Speaker, when grown outside its natural environment in plantation, needs to be inoculated with a certain fungus at a certain age to induce resin production from which the essential oil is derived. When the trees are healthy, Madam Speaker, Agarwood has a light or pale color, but when it is infected by disease, the process of infection creates a response to the attack, resulting in a very dark and incredibly aromatic resin known as aloe resin. It is this rich dark resin which is so highly prized and from which Agarwood essential oil is extracted. This is why it is different from sandalwood, as it requires external intervention to induce resin and subsequently oil production. In the wild, the production of this resin can take many years, and like a good wine, the older the resin, the more prized it becomes. Because of its huge cost and extreme rarity in the wild, the trees are now cultivated, and the resin is actually created by artificial infection and its essential oil extracted by water distillation. Agarwood is native to India as well as several areas of Southeast Asia, including Vietnam, the Philippines, and Indonesia. Outside its native countries, it is most widely known in the Middle East, China, Taiwan, and Japan. We are yet to develop this technique, Madam Speaker, but my ministry will be working on this species and document research findings over a span of time. Thank you.